Marvin from mjo23dan.com. So today I have a package and it's a pretty nice gesture from one of my followers. Let's check it out. So this individual on Instagram, his name is Isaac Rozov. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, bro. But he pointed out on Instagram that he wanted to send me some Air Jordans, and it looks like he's a customizer, restorer, and this was one of his first projects to work on. He saw a video of mine and was just moved and inspired and wanted to like give something to me. So I thought that was pretty generous. Like, I don't really get a lot of that, and that's not something that like I invite people to do, but just the kindness of his own heart, he wanted to gift me something. So I properly wanted to shout him out just so I can show you exactly like what I received. And you know, I'm not gonna always do this because, you know, honestly guys, I feel like really weird doing it because I know there are people out there that love my videos, want to support in some way, and this was one of them. So this is like one of the rare instances that I actually do it. So let's take a look at what Isaac sent me and be on our way here. Wow. Came through, man. Alright, so this is coming all the way from the East Coast, and it's an OG box. Wow, dude. OG Maroons. So this is the first time I've ever owned an OG6, and it's pretty crazy, man. Thank you, Isaac. Like, I don't know what to say. Just the swap looks really good. He used a I'm not sure exactly which one, but he did use an Air Jordan 6 midsole, and it does have like a green air unit in there, but the upper is entirely the Air Jordan 6. And this leather, it's pretty nuts. It's like really good. The rest of it as well. You can see a little bit of the cracking up here by the ankle collar. Wow. He said it had the original box, the shoes. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and throw in his Instagram page in the description if you guys want to follow along, follow his work. Maybe he'll, you know, get you guys in on some work, whether you need some like cleaning, restoration, anything of the sorts. There's the insole there for the OG6. Again, this is my first time like owning these, so it's pretty nuts. Inside tag reads size 10. So this is not the original box. This isn't the black infrared 6 box, but these are a size 10 on the OG6. You can see the stamping. I never knew that it did have stamping on the side of it. And then there's the original size tag sticker. I'm going to go ahead and do some B-rolls on this as well. But overall, it's a clean shoe. It's got the rubber tongue, neoprene booty. Got the original lace lock there with the Nike. Super dope. Original black tissue paper. And then the Air Jordan Collection Spring 1991 booklet here. This is pretty awesome. See, why doesn't Nike and Jordan do this anymore? They show the tech of the shoe. And I thought this was pretty neat. So you can see like the inner workings of the Air Jordan. Like these little things, these little pieces that come with the shoes is just something to appreciate. So there's the warm-up joint that you can see paired up with the Air Jordan 6. There's another flight suit. The Air Jordan Flight Club mailer right there, where it like tears away. Air Jordan Flight Club right there. Back in the day, you could join this Air Jordan Flight Club and get like, you know, a bunch of freebies and goodies. So some of the stuff in here includes a letter from Michael Jordan, the official club card, a poster, limited edition Air Jordan Flight Club tee, a picture of Michael Jordan, subscription of official club newsletter with updates on Michael, and opportunities to purchase limited edition Air Jordan Flight Club products. So I know they had revamped the program some years back, and then they stopped it. So I'm not sure why. They should definitely do like an exclusive club for like true fans of the brand. But Isaac, again, thank you so much. This is something that I'm definitely going to be keeping in the collection, and you know, just set a reminder for myself about how like the passion and the drive and the memory of Air Jordans really captivates you know, people in their everyday lives. So this is awesome, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you. And you know, again, this is my first OG Air Jordan 6, so I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm probably gonna be able to wear them too, seems like it. And it's pretty nice. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for your support. If you guys want to follow me, I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I also have a website, mjoe23dan.com. If you guys are interested in purchasing a t-shirt, I have a special going on right now just for Black Friday and Thanksgiving weekend. It is 25% off. Use code Black Friday and you get 25% off my t-shirts. I only have a few of them left, so small, medium, and large. So if you guys are interested, please purchase a shirt, support me. Let me know what you guys think overall of, you know, the channel and the shoes and everything like that. Alright guys, thanks again. Take care.